peri-peri chicken pie. What? Okay, my spice lovers, where y'all at? If you love peri-peri chicken like I do, you will love this recipe. Topped with scalloped potatoes, deliciousness. Now these are looking nice and toasty from the oven. I'm making my own peri-peri sauce. You can absolutely use the wide range of variety that you can get at Woolies. Some crushed garlic, smoked paprika, zest of the lime and the juice of the lime. This is the part where you can control the level of heat that you want in this recipe. I would say like 6 bird's eye chilies. I like a bit more bite. That's how you make peri-peri sauce. Put this into the pan, get that frying a little bit again, just to, you know, get those flavors blooming. Coconut cream, you could absolutely use coconut milk. Who doesn't love a rotisserie chicken? Shredded it up, and then that's going to be going into our filling as well, so that goes in. I'm going to use some potatoes and some Kara sweet potatoes. The sweetness of that Kara sweet potato is just going to marry so well with the tanginess of the chicken. Now you can also swap the chicken out with frozen pieces of hake. Yum. Add some prawns in there, or even some cauliflower and beans. Delicious. Now all that's left to do is dish up and enjoy. It tastes like holiday. I don't know why. That's potatoes, yum. That's peri-peri chicken, yum. It's zesty, it's zingy. Bomb. Bye.